So what I wanted to talk about today was one possible solution to the housing affordability crisis we have in Massachusetts right now. And that is the regulation known as Title V. So in Massachusetts, if you're not on a public sewer system, the only option you really have is to install a septic system on your property. Now, the way a septic system works is they go out, they dig a hole, they pour water into the hole, and they measure how fast the water drains into the hole. If the water doesn't drain fast enough, you don't pass the perc test and you can't install a septic system. So now you have a piece of land that if it perked, if you could put a septic system, that land might be worth $300,000, $500,000, certainly several $100,000 because you can build on it. But if it fails, you can't build on it. So you might have an acre of land, 2 acres of land that because you can't put a septic system on it, has literally limited value. Maybe now it's worth, you can't build on it, so it's worth $25,000, $50,000, whatever it's worth as vacant land. So here's the question is, why doesn't Massachusetts promote or explore options that are, other technology other than a septic system that would allow you to build a house and deal with the waste that's generated from people living in the house? So that's what we're looking for, is we need another option to septic systems in Massachusetts, and that would free up unbelievable amount of land that's currently not buildable.